In this video, I'll show you how to contribute to your 2026 IRA on Robinhood using the mobile app. Whether you have a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA, making contributions for the 2026 tax year is simple once your retirement account is set up. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the bottom corner and go to the Retirement or IRA section. Here, you'll see your IRA balance, contribution history, and available retirement options. Next, tap on Contribute, Add Funds, or Transfer depending on your app version. Robinhood will ask how much money you want to contribute to your IRA account. Enter the amount you want to deposit, then select your linked bank account for the transfer. Before continuing, pay close attention to the tax year selection. Robinhood may let you choose between the current tax year and the 2026 contribution year. Make sure you select 2026 if that's the year you want the contribution applied to. After selecting the contribution year, review all the details carefully, including your deposit amount and remaining yearly contribution limit. Robinhood may also show how much of your 2026 IRA limit you have already used. If you want to invest consistently, you can also enable recurring contributions directly from this screen. Once everything looks correct, tap Review and confirm the contribution. Robinhood will process the transfer, and the funds should appear in your IRA account after the deposit is completed. After the money arrives, you can begin investing directly inside your retirement account. If you do not see the option to select the contribution year, make sure your app is updated to the latest version because features and menus can sometimes change. And that's how you can contribute to your 2026 IRA on Robinhood. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple app tutorials.